In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your payment method on GitHub and link your PayPal account. Managing your billing information on platforms like GitHub is vital to ensure seamless transactions and continued service. So let's delve into the process step by step to make it as straightforward as possible. To start, head over to the GitHub dashboard. If you're not logged in already, make sure to enter your credentials and sign in. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll notice an icon that represents your profile. It's usually a circle with your avatar or initials in it, so go ahead and click on that. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will navigate you to the Settings Overview page. Take a look at the left-hand side of this page where you'll find various options listed. Here, you'll want to ensure you're under the Billing and Licensing section. Once you've located that, go ahead and click on it. With the Billing and Licensing page open, your next step is to look for the Payment Information option. You'll find this in a drop-down format. Give it a click, which will lead you to the section where all the magic happens. As you scroll down, keep your eyes peeled for the Payment Method area. This is where GitHub displays the current payment setup you have in place, if any. Right next to it, you'll notice an Add button. Let's hit that button to proceed. At this point, you'll see different options for adding a payment method, whether you want to link a credit card, a debit card, or a PayPal account. Since we're focusing on setting up a PayPal account today, go ahead and select PayPal from the list. This choice might take a minute to process as the system gears up to connect you securely to PayPal's login page. Once the page loads, you'll see a Sign into PayPal button. Press this button, and it will direct you to the PayPal login portal. Here, you will need to enter your PayPal credentials to connect the accounts securely. Don't worry about privacy or security. GitHub and PayPal use stringent security measures to protect your information. After you've successfully logged into your PayPal, congratulations, that's all there is to it. Your GitHub account is now linked to your PayPal as a payment method, ensuring that all your transactions are handled conveniently and efficiently from now on. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope this has been helpful. If you have any other questions about managing your GitHub account or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy coding and have a great day.